the new technology, let's not forget that the worst thing about running is the pounding. If you can minimize the pounding, your legs are going to be better off, and also your body is going to be better off. So especially when you're running a marathon, it's a lot of pounding. This company came with this new technology, which is obviously the Wave Spring. So that's what makes this company very different from the other ones.
Shoes, I like it, and I like these shoes even before marathon. I got these shoes 2 weeks before marathon, and I started run. I just loved it because I needed support for my back, and it does good job because I'm getting older and my back reacts differently than I was younger. So it supports my back, and I like these shoes. And it also, when you go run downhill, it supports your back very well. It is not so hard, it is not so soft. It just gives you smooth movement.